Hi everybody, this is Mr. 4 from Force TV. We have the Camon 19 Pro first look in Zimbabwe. I'm gonna check out here at the back. You can see there's two round camera designs with 3 camera lenses and 1 LED light. We have what we call the mouthpiece, the C-type charger, and the USB jack. On the side we have a SIM port, and also in the front, in the top of the phone, we have what we call the earpiece. The design of this phone is kind of like bold and solid. I like that. And then we can take out on the other side, we have the volume up and volume down, as well as the fingerprint. Yeah, okay, let's check out what's inside of this phone. The Camon 19 Pro, it is what we call Android 12 version. The CPU is G96. The front camera is 32 megapixel camera. The rear is 64 megapixel triple camera. And the RAM is 8 gig plus 3 gig, which is memory fusion. 256 gig ROM and battery of 5000. The resolution of this phone is 1080 x 2460. That's what I've seen about this phone, and you get a dot on display. Thank you for enjoying this video. Bye.